Friends, can you imagine a 15-year minor gets pregnant and she runs pillar to post to get herself aborted, but the doctor refuses on technical grounds, saying that the pregnancy is already 24 weeks late. That means under MTP Act in India, girl cannot get aborted if the pregnancy crosses 24 weeks. And based on that, the girl who wanted to abort was refused. She went to various doctors, but none of them paid any heed to her. So finally her mother went to Delhi High Court, sought petition, asked for liberty and asked for permission. High Court appointed AIIMS as a board member to look into the matter, and finally even AIIMS doctors said she is not in a position to get aborted because now it is matter of life of child in the womb. So finally this case reached Supreme Court of India, and there the judgment was given, and on the ground that the girl has full liberty because it is she who is going to bear the scar throughout her life if she gives birth to a child, and it is her to decide whether she wants to keep the child or not. It is her father, it is her mother to decide whether they are going to carry it forward or not. AIIMS has none of the business to do so. AIIMS has only limitations of providing services. They cannot direct a person to get aborted or not. This particular decision of Supreme Court was challenged again at Supreme Court, and Chief Justice of India, Justice Surya Kant, refused to entertain the request, telling that this is absurd. It is the right of the lady, it is the right of the minor to decide whether she wants to carry it forward or not. Medical or any law cannot force anybody to be pregnant, and also made a request or direction to the government of India to look into this matter and see if MTP Act can be revised. Friends, we have prepared a full report on this particular episode of unwanted pregnancy and abortion and trauma of this 15-year girl who has run post to pillars from one court to another, and finally she has got remedy by Supreme Court of India. It is a very historic, my friend, judgment. Please go through it, and if you like the video, please share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for your time.
Follow Kanoonplus for court cases and real legal clarity. Subscribe now and drop your view in the comments.